This restoration started with several areas of severe wood deterioration hidden beneath the painted surface. Before we could begin rebuilding anything, we first needed to determine how far the deterioration extended and how much of the original wood could still be preserved. The damaged areas were opened up, and wood that had deteriorated beyond the point where it could be retained was carefully removed. As the cleanout continued, the true extent of the damage became visible. The goal isn't to remove all of the existing wood, it's to remove the compromised material while preserving as much of the sound original wood as possible. Once the deteriorated material was removed, the exposed repair areas were thoroughly cleaned with biocleaner. The remaining wood was then treated with CUB, a copper borate wood preservative that helps protect against fungi, mold, and wood-destroying insects. With the cleanout and treatment complete, we could begin the restoration. WRP liquid wood consolidant is brushed directly into the exposed wood, penetrating the porous wood fibers and reinforcing the remaining material. This prepares the existing wood for the rebuilding process while allowing us to preserve the sound portions of the original structure. Next, WRP Epoxy Dough is worked into the damaged areas to begin replacing the wood that was lost to deterioration. The dough is built up and shaped around the remaining original wood, allowing the missing sections to be reconstructed rather than replacing the entire component. On the larger beam end repair, the amount of missing material requires additional reinforcement. Gator bars are installed within the repair area to provide additional reinforcement before the major rebuild continues. With the reinforcement in place, WRP epoxy dough is built up around the existing wood and gator bars to begin reconstructing the large section that was lost to deterioration. At this stage, the major beam end is beginning to take shape, but the restoration isn't finished yet. In the next stage, we'll continue building and shaping the beam, refine the repaired areas, apply WRP topping compound, and recreate the original wood texture,